Welcome back to Cars Info Point. Today, we're looking into two incredible machines that redefine the future of mobility, one from the road and one from the sky. Let's get into it. First up, the 2025 model that's making waves across the automotive world. A car that blends futuristic design, next-level efficiency, and cutting-edge tech. Sleek, aggressive lines meet a performance-driven aerodynamic profile. The front grille is sharper, fully integrated with adaptive LED matrix, lights that adjust to road conditions in real time. Under the hood, we're looking at a turbocharged hybrid system producing over 400 horsepower, yet still managing over 35 miles per gallon. Performance meets sustainability. Inside the cabin, it's pure luxury and tech. A wraparound digital cockpit, AI-based driver assist, and even a biometric startup system. Just sit, press your finger, and drive. It's no longer just about speed, it's about smart driving. You've got a 15-inch curved touchscreen with haptic feedback, seamless smartphone integration, and cloud-based updates that keep the car improving long after purchase. Now let's take it to the skies. We're also checking out a new generation 2025 helicopter, compact, efficient, and loaded with innovation. Built for urban air mobility, this model is fully electric, with whisper-quiet rotors designed to reduce noise, pollution in crowded cities. It can carry 2 passengers, reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour, and has a range of about 180 miles on a single charge. What's wild? The cockpit design feels like you're in a sci-fi movie. Augmented reality heads-up displays, voice command, navigation, and auto-stabilization tech make even rough conditions feel like smooth air. It also features vertical takeoff and landing, meaning you don't need a full runway. Just a rooftop or a small pad, and you're airborne in seconds. Both. These machines are part of the same vision. Faster, cleaner, smarter transportation. Whether you're cruising through city streets or soaring above traffic, the future is about blending tech, power, and sustainability. Make sure to subscribe to Cars Info Point for more exclusive looks at the next wave of mobility. Hit the like button if you're ready for the future, and drop a comment. Car or copter? Which one would you ride first? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.